Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. But first, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up. Wait for everything to settle and for your desktop to appear before moving forward. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and the settings will respond properly when you access them. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu icon, which is typically located on the left side or center of the taskbar, depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all of Windows settings and applications. After the Start menu opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Settings and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is the central hub for configuring your system preferences and accessibility features. From the settings menu that appears, look for the option labeled Ease of Access. This section contains all the accessibility tools Windows offers to make your computer easier to use for everyone. Click on Ease of Access to open it and view all the available accessibility options. Now, within the Ease of Access menu, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see various categories listed there. Scroll down to the Interaction section and under it, click on Keyboard. This will take you to the specific keyboard accessibility settings where you can enable features designed to help you use your device without a traditional physical keyboard. Once you're in the keyboard settings, look for the toggle button that says Use your device without a physical keyboard. This is the option that controls the on-screen keyboard feature. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. The moment you activate it, you'll immediately see the on-screen keyboard appear on your screen, ready for you to use. This virtual keyboard allows you to type using your mouse or touch input, making it incredibly useful if your physical keyboard isn't working or if you prefer an alternative input method. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and activated the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11, giving you a convenient way to type and interact with your computer without relying on a physical keyboard. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.